Today we are going to discuss some of the sample questions for 10th CBSE. These are section 3 questions that are 2-mark questions. Okay, now we move to the question. First question is, what is myopia and hyperopia? Generally, these two are eye defect. Hyperopia is a condition in which an image of distant object becomes focused behind the retina, making objects up close appear out of focus. Where in myopia, just opposite to hyperopia, here the image of distant object becomes focused in front of retina, making the objects appear out of focus. Myopia is the most common refractive error seen in children and can be corrected with eyeglasses or contact lens. Here, the myopia and hyperopia is compared to the normal vision. Here, myopia is formed before retina and hyperopia is formed behind the retina. Next question is, write 4 disadvantages of hydropower. Hydropower is nothing but the power derived from the energy of falling or fast running water, which may be harnessed for useful purpose. Even though it have lot of advantages, some of disadvantages are dams are extremely expensive to build and must be built to a very high standard. The high cost of dam construction means that they must operate for many decades to become profitable. The flooding of large areas of land means that the natural environment is destroyed. Here, the building of large dams can cause serious geological damage. For example, the building of Hoover Dam in the USA triggered number of earthquakes. Now, third question is, write the difference between renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are renewed or replenished by nature in a short span of time. But non-renewable resources may not be replenished by nature or take very long geological time to be formed again. And these renewable resources are often available continuously, like solar energy and water, etc. But non-renewable resources once exhausted after use, example fossil fuels. And renewable resources can be divided into continuous flow. And then non-renewable resources can be recyclable and non-recyclable. Now the fourth question is, write short notes on thalamus and its function. The thalamus is a small structure within the brain. It's located just above the brain stem between the cerebral cortex and the midbrain. You can refer this image. And here and has extensive nerve connections to both cerebral cortex and midbrain. The main function of the thalamus is to relay motor and sensory signals to the cerebral cortex. It also regulates sleep, alertness, and wakefulness. Now, last question, how is pulse taken in the humans? This is a different type of question. Taking your pulse is easy, especially if you do it at your own wrist or neck. Simply lay your index and third fingers on the inside of your wrist below the base of your thumb, between the bone and the tendon. This spot is over the radial artery. When you feel the thump of your pulse, count the beats for 15 seconds. Multiply the count by 4 to calculate the number of beats per minute. To take your pulse at your neck, to do the same thing, but keep your index and third finger in the hollow beside your Adam's apple or windpipe. Okay, thank you for watching.